Hey, it's Kate with WTI. Are you ready to absolutely wow your guests and take your charcuterie board to the next level?
This elegant cheese board is by HASTA RAIZ and it is handmade by artisans in Mexico. You can absolutely tell that this is handcrafted with so much care. This is incredible if you are entertaining, if you're having guests over and you want to put some snacks out, if you want to make a charcuterie board and really make it pop out. Your food is going to look so much more beautiful when it is displayed on this cheese board. I have it here in the rising sun, and I was just absolutely stunned when this arrived at how completely gorgeous it is. Even just displaying it, I honestly feel like it's just an absolute work of art when it's not in use. It is incredibly beautiful and detailed, and the back of it has an anti-slip material. So for practicality, when I'm placing this on my granite counter, it's not going to go anywhere, which I really appreciate. It's easy to clean, to wipe off, and just the detail in this, the colors up close are so beautiful in this rising sun model. I think that it's absolutely incredible. It arrived in a protective cloth sleeve, so just everything from crafting to delivery, a lot of care went into this product.
You are using this to serve food, entertaining guests, or just displaying it as a work of art. I think that this cheese board is so incredibly special. It would make such a thoughtful gift, or if it's part of your home, you are going to love it. But that's just my point of view.